Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Mohammed Afani from NovelBits, and in today's video I wanted to give you a brief update on the progress of the ebook. I'll make this very quick. So the key components that I want to focus on include the remote control part of the project, the gateway part of the project, as well as the written content of the ebook itself. As far as the development on the remote control, it is about 80% complete, and that includes buttons being detected. The on and off button, which control the Playbulb through the gateway, can be detected via notifications, and that's working. The LEDs are functioning. The last part that's left on the remote control, the major part, is power consumption optimization. Since the remote control runs on batteries, it really needs to be power efficient. As far as the gateway, that's around 25 to 30% complete in terms of development, and that's because it involves connecting to 4 devices. The 3 devices, it acts as a central, and another device while it's acting as a peripheral. So the 3 devices we talked about before in the project, which are the Thingy 52, the remote control, as well as the Playbulb candle. So the focus right now is on getting it connected to the Thingy 52 and detecting the sensor measurements from there, which include the motion as far as the accelerometer, as well as the humidity and the temperature, since we are taking this project as, for example, to connect or place this Thingy 52 in a garage area or any area that you want to detect the temperature and humidity and some motion activation. So after that gets worked out, the connection to the remote control and Playbulb candle will be pretty straightforward after getting it to work with the Thingy 52. Now all of this development work is going to be provided in a GitHub project, so you can also go back in history and look at the different development phases of this project. So I hope that that's going to really help for somebody looking at the history of the project and looking at the progress. As far as the written content, the progress is underway as well. I do have most of the content in one form or another, so it's simply putting that in a suitable format that's suitable for this ebook. And that content comes from my personal notes, my training materials, as well as some blog posts. So the next update will be during the week of February 19th, which is about 10 days from now. Until then, feel free to comment and ask any questions or provide feedback in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this update and found it useful. And if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channels to be notified of newer updates in the upcoming days. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.